Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure segment to route events to multiple tools. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your segment account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to configure your event routing. Select the Sources tab from the left-hand menu. Choose the source that you want to configure for event routing. Click on the settings icon associated with the selected source. Scroll down to the Destinations section within the source settings. Click on the Add Destination button to select your desired tools. A list of available destinations will appear. Select the first tool you wish to route events to. Follow the prompts to complete the destination setup. Make sure to enter any required API keys or authentication details. Once completed, repeat the process for each additional tool you want to configure. After adding all desired destinations, navigate to the tracking plan. From here, ensure that both the source and destinations are correctly linked. You can review and customize your event mappings as needed. Check for any specific settings or configurations required by each destination. For tools that offer filtering options, set up filters to refine the events sent to each destination. Once you're satisfied with the configurations, save your settings. To test your setup, trigger a test event from your source. Monitor the events in both segment and the connected destinations. If everything is functioning correctly, you'll see the events appearing in your chosen tools. If any discrepancies appear, revisit your configurations and ensure all fields were correctly completed. Finally, document your configuration steps for future reference or team training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.